Hey guys, what's up? I'm Max.
I'm Trish.
And this is Max and Trish Life Hacks. So today, Trish, how many times has this happened to you? It's like 7:30 on a Sunday morning and you wake up and you realize, I bought whole grain coffee.
Whole bean coffee?
Whole bean coffee.
Instead of ground coffee.
Instead of ground coffee.
All the time.
Well, what if I told you we have a life hack for that?
That sounds great. What is it?
We're gonna hit it with a brick.
How simple. I have bricks all over my building.
Yep, me too. This is mason grade. Look at that. That's a brick.
We know what you're thinking at home. What if I don't have a brick? Or what about me? I have tiny, delicate hands. Wait, there's more. You can get a latex glove and fill it with pebbles from outside. It does the same thing. And if you're lonely, it feels like you're holding someone's hand.
He wasn't right for you, Trish.
Just shut up. You don't know him like I do.
Trish, god damn it. But don't just take our word for it.
What the hell, guys? It's 7:30 in the morning. My poodle's pissing in the corner because it thinks the walls are breaking down. What are you doing?
We didn't have a grinder.
But we still wanted robust coffee.
It's whole bean.
We're just making coffee.
Oh, the brick.